Well, time then to bring on board Vijay Bhambwani, who is the author and CEO of PSPLindia.com. He now joins us with his thoughts on the markets. Good morning, Vijay. Good to have you with us. To start with, would like to know the Nifty range that you're mapping.
Where the market outlook is concerned, there were indications of bearishness both on the Nifty 50 and the Bank Nifty, as we saw a range expansion with the markets finding equilibrium on the downside. We had bearish engulfing patterns on the daily candlestick charts, coinciding with bearish outside days, which means that the bulls are unwinding their long positions at higher levels. And where intraday levels are concerned, the bullish pivot for the Nifty spot will be at 6,020 levels, which is far above where it closed at. Only above this bullish threshold will the primary target of Nifty be at 6,030 and a secondary target of 6,060, which seems like a far cry. On the flip side, the bearish pivot for the session will be at 6,000 levels. As long as the Nifty spot is trading below 6,000 levels, the primary target will be 59.50 and the secondary target will be 59.30.
Right, and Vijay, what are your thoughts on the metals index?
In the metal space, barring Steel Authority of India, which bucked the overall market trend and rallied on goodish volumes, I'm seeing sideways movement in ferrous metals and a downside movement in non-ferrous metals. So clearly, as long as the overall market remains under pressure, it will be the non-ferrous metals which will lead the way down, with ferrous metals following suit at a marginal lag.
Okay, and what are your thoughts on consumer goods?
Consumer good companies are appearing to be under pressure, and the way down is likely to be led by FMCG. And both the leading frontline counters are looking like under pressure with lower tops and lower bottoms formation. The CNX FMCG index is witnessing its lowest close on an intraday basis, on a daily basis, after 23rd of November 2012. And these are indications that the consumer goods sectors are likely to remain under pressure.
And Vijay, what are your two trading recommendations this morning?
Where individual stock trading ideas are concerned, I would like to short ITC at marginal pullbacks to 280 levels. I would hold these shorts with a stop loss at 283. And I would expect to book profits at 276 or end of the session, whichever comes first. My second trade would also be a short, this time on DLF in the cash segment, where I would like to short at 236 and hold these short positions with a stop loss at 239. And I would expect to book profits at 232 or end of the session, whichever comes first.
And from the futures and options side, what's the strategy that you would recommend?
In the future space, I would want to short NHPC, January futures, at 25.5 levels. I would hold these shorts with a stop loss at 26.25, and I would expect to book profits at 24.25 or end of the session, whichever comes first.